Hi, this is Sajid. Welcome to BdThemes tips and tricks tutorials. Today, we'll show you how to increase your website memory. For the first case, you can change site memory through hosting FTP Manager. Just get in, open the public HTML folder followed by ready blocks and locate the wp-config.php file. Remember, each website has different file path for the PHP config file. Now, right-click on it and go for Edit. On the editor window, scroll down and locate the debug code line. Paste the memory code line right under it. Hit the Save button. Now on the WP dashboard, you can see the current memory limit for this site. This is an interface we made for this purpose. Reload the page and see the changes. Another way is to get onto the hosting with cPanel and search for the multi-PHP INI editor. Here, select your website name from the field. Scroll down below until you see the memory limit option. Change it and click the Apply button. And you're done. Same as before, get into the site and look for the memory limit. Reload to see the changes. Finally, you can change the memory limit through htaccess file. On FTP editor, go to Settings and click the option to show hidden files. When you see the .htaccess file, right-click on it and go for the edit. On the editor page, just paste the memory limit code on the top. And save changes. With these three methods, you can increase your WordPress site memory easily. The third method, using .htaccess file, doesn't work for all hosting companies, but you can try it and see if it works for you. If you want to increase your site memory, you need to first check if it's compatible with the memory increase limit. You can try increasing the memory limit to 256 MB up to 512 MB. If it goes well, you can increase the limit as you like next time. Remember, we have showed three methods in this video. For your record, the first method is the best one, which is suitable for any occasion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.